Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amelia, and if you like to support my work and channel to grow, please do so by press that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. I really appreciate your genuine support from the bottom of my heart. Alright, as you already know what is my video about, let's get started. I bought this beauty fridge a month ago and I made the unboxing video. Just in case if you haven't seen it yet, I put the link up here and down in the description below. You're more than welcome to check it out. So guys, this is how my beauty fridge sitting nicely on my makeup bench in my bathroom. Even though it might seem small, but surprisingly, it actually can fit plenty of skincare products that are necessary for my skin. The temperature of the fridge also just right. It means it won't be too cold as it might freeze my skincare product. That is why it is not recommended to put the skincare product in the kitchen fridge and mix it with the food item. As you may already know, it is not hygiene and the temperature it would be too cold for your skincare products. Also, it's much more convenient to have your skincare near your makeup bench and you have an easy access to your skincare every time you finish shower and during your skincare routine. Okay guys, it's time for my night skincare routine so I can show you what is inside my beauty fridge. Are you ready? Okay, I just move it more forward so you can have a closer look. Let's count how many items that I have in my fridge. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. 21 items in my beauty fridge. So I normally put my moisturizer on the top here, a toner product in the bottom here, and while I put my mask on the door side, and also I put my beauty roller on my door side here. Now for my night skincare, first thing that I put onto my skin is this serum. This is one of my favorite serum because it smells so good and it actually really works. Okay, so just put one pump here. Oh, it smells so good guys, and it like really fresh onto my skin because it just come out from the fridge. It's not too cold, it's just right. One more pump for my forehead. And the second one is my pigment class serum from La Roche-Posay. I just put one pump here for my cheek. This is actually very good to prevent the dark spot coming out from my skin. So after that I put my Effaclar Duo Corrective Unclogging Care Anti-Imperfections from La Roche-Posay. Just put a little bit in here. I just normally like tap 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 like this and just let it sit for a while. And after that I like to put my Drop of Youth concentrate from Body Shop. just put what, like a little bit drop in here. Very fresh and nice and cool. Oh, I love it. You know what? Ever since I have my beauty fridge, I never miss my skincare routine anymore, because the fridge is there and it's kind of like give you a reminder every time you look at it. So the next one is my night concentrate from Neutrogena. Just put a little bit and put it on my face. Oh my god, this smells so good, guys, and it's very cool. I just really love the cooling effects every time I put my moisturizer or my serum onto my skin. The next one is my bouncy eye mask. Just a little bit, just put it under your eyes here. And the last one is my User Nascent's brightening sleeping mask. This is also one of my favorite masks. This is made in Korea. Oh my god, this smells so good, guys. It smells kind of like lemons, but it's actually not lemons. Just rub a little bit on my face here. Right now, feel fresh because the skincare just come out from the fridge. I like the color as well, it's yellow. And after I put all my serum, my moisturizer and my mask, now it's time for my beauty roller. So fresh, guys. And under my eyes, another one, and on my cheek. And like give me a soft massage on my neck. Oh, last one. Okay, guys, that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoying the video. If you guys have any questions regarding the products or what's my skincare, you guys can drop me a message down below in the comment sections. And thank you for watching. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next week. Bye.